please share what you think is the biggest opportunity in home design, renovation, construction, real estate, technology today? How does the pause created by this pandemic inspire you to reimagine residential design moving forward?
There's only so many new homes that can be built each year. And I think the biggest challenge is that for the first time, demand is way outstripping supply. Making older homes relevant to today's lifestyle is the challenge, and value engineering so that it's affordable for buyers to take the older homes and make them useful for today is the key nugget.
I think technology is going to make it into more rooms of the home. I think systems that make it very easy to use are going to be really, really important. So I think that's the opportunity there. And it all is hinged on a really, really strong network. And that's been probably the number one call I'm getting now is my Wi-Fi is terrible. I want to make it better. And with really good network and Wi-Fi, all of the other systems in the house work better.
Again, a good pause for people to spend more time and think about the environment they're living in. I think it's going to help a lot. And hopefully all these things that we're adding in, because people can't get out, people will still remember, and oh, that was a lot of fun being outside and working with their kids more closely and dealing with the intergenerational thing.
Well, taking existing homes and making them contemporary and modern is really what we've built our reputation on. You know, what we can do to make our clients' lives better. Our roles and goals are, quite frankly, what we do day in and day out is problem solve.
Our overarching goal has always been, to get people to slow down. A tremendous opportunity there to create places for people to find that respite that they want.
I think there's a new paradigm that we're going to be looking at, a total change, which is houses are going to be multi-generational. I think there's also going to be a march towards housing that is more affordable for a greater part of the population. It's going to be a great period for great long-term design that people are going to think not just for the next year or two, but with a 10-year horizon.